Hi, my name is Emily, and in this video I will talk to you about graphing stories. A graphing story is a classroom routine that you can use to develop students' knowledge of graphs, functions, and mathematical models. It was pioneered by the American math teacher Dan Meyer, and here is how it works. You start by showing your students a short film of an everyday event. It could be a glass filling with water, a salmon cooking in the oven, or a swing moving back and forth. You then ask the students to draw a graph to describe the event. For instance, how the height of the water, the temperature of the salmon, or the speed of the swing changes with time. Now, in order for the students to be able to describe and compare their graphs, they're going to need some mathematical vocabulary. And in that way, the students' graphs are a great resource for introducing new and important mathematical concepts, such as slope, y-intercept, and maximum. And when the students have worked with several different graphing stories, it becomes natural to name the different graphs and to put them into categories such as linear, exponential, or periodic. And those concepts are not just introduced because we've reached that page in our textbook. They're introduced because there is a need to distinguish between the different graphs that the students have seen. Now, once the students have discussed and compared their different graphs, they're usually pretty curious to see what the correct graph looks like. So each film ends with the correct graph being shown. There are plenty of ways to vary, adapt, and develop the graphing story routine in your classroom. You could, for instance, ask the students to find the equation of the graph. Or you could ask what-if questions. If you're curious to learn more about this, you could visit my homepage. And there, you'll also find graphing story films that you could use in your classroom.